This video is to explain the use of the recently used app button on Android phones, which is a bit confusing for some people sometimes. All right, so I'm going to explain what it is. This is where it actually is. It's that button, which on my Android phone is on the bottom right hand corner. Sometimes it may be on the left hand corner over here. All right, because it depends on where it is, but it'll be a square rectangle like this one over here. Okay, so it's a rectangular one, the one on the right there. Okay, right. Okay, so what that button actually does is switch you to recently used apps. So if I press the button once, it comes up and it shows you a screen there. Now, a lot of people sometimes, and sometimes including myself, are under the impression that that is actually the program. So they start touching things on that screen to get it to do things. For example, I touch things here, it's moving sideways, whatever. If I want to highlight some text and to copy it, it's not doing it. Why is it not doing it? That's because I'm not actually in the Gmail program, this actual program here. All right, you'll see Gmail, it says Gmail. Says it's Gmail. It's even got the Gmail symbol over there, right? But it's not the Gmail program, right? It actually is the still in the recently used app function. If I now touch that screen, which I'm going to do in the middle, now I'm in the email program. So if I now highlight some text, for example, or do something, whoops. Well, I didn't want to do that. Went into writing some text. I want to highlight some text, right? I can highlight some text, for example, right? So I'm now actually in the program. So just to explain, the complication seems to be under the impression that people are under the impression that when they press the recently used app button, this one on the bottom right hand corner, which I'm going to press again now, and it's going to go to a list of recently used apps, that I'm in the app already. I'm not. I'm actually still in the recently used app function, and I have to actually press on it and then actually go into the program. If I do that again, and I go to my email program, once again, I'm not in the email program, and the thing that's an indicator that you're not in it is the fact that you've got this X at the top of the screen, which is to close your recently used apps, all right? So it doesn't appear in your recently used. That's the indicator that it's not in it, all right? So if I want to get rid of it, okay, if I want to go into it, I've got to touch it. Now there's no X there and it's taking up the whole screen. That means I'm actually in it. So just to confirm again, the recently used app button, when you press it down on the bottom right hand corner in my case, right, and it goes into a program, it gives you a list of the programs and you can slide through them. For example, I want to go to one called Photos. If I touch that, it'll go into my Photos app when it opens up. If it opens up. No, it doesn't want to open up. Okay, so I'll go recently used apps. I'll go into Chrome. Okay, let's open that. Okay, so the recently used app button requires you to press on it and then press on the actual app that you want to go. Slide to the one that you want to go to and go into it. Just moving the screen around won't necessarily do it. You've got to actually touch the screen. So that's all there is to that. So that's it. Bye.